MzeroA Online Ground School, it is day 19 of the 31-day Safer Pilot Challenge. What's happening, MzeroA Online Ground School? It is Beshoy here. Let me ask you a question. When you get your airplane back from maintenance, is it really ready? Did you check the paperwork and the logbooks? Are they signed off correctly? I can tell you a story. You would not believe it. There's always something. Sometimes the maintenance will do all the work, but because of the schedule and busy schedule, things gets forgotten. And before you know it, maybe the mechanic didn't put that sign off on your logbook. Now, the work has been done in your airplane, but is it really legally airworthy? If you go out and come back and there's a ramp inspection, would you be able to prove that your airplane is airworthy? I can tell you, one day before I had to pick up an airplane, brand new, zero hours from the factory. While we're taxiing out, we ended up having a sensor issue. Okay, what are we gonna do? We turn back, we taxi back, and guess what? We had to stay about 4 hours just waiting for a sign-off, just a signature. But it takes time, but that's how you wanna do it. You wanna make sure, number one, your paperwork is signed off. And I can tell you, there's always a paper airplane and a real airplane. When we go fly, we don't just fly the real plane, we fly the paper airplane first. So you want to make sure the paper plane is completed. All the documents, all the paperwork is signed off, because that's what's going to cover you when something happens. So number one, you want to make sure your paperwork is done and logbook is signed off correctly. Now, how about the physical work? The physical work on the engine, the physical work on the airframe, is it done correctly? Did I do my thorough pre-flight? Did I do a thorough run-up? When you take off, you don't want to go on a cross-country right away. Stay close to your field. Maybe if something happened, you want to come, you have a backup plan. So I hope you always want to make sure that the maintenance is done correctly, and you want to make sure you back yourself up every time you go fly. And remember guys, a good pilot is always learning. Have a wonderful rest of the day.